Hi, today we learn how to use double VLOOKUP. You can see my sheet. I have two sheets. First sheets have branch name and unit code, and second sheet have unit code and client name. I required client name through branch name. First we select VLOOKUP and select branch name, then select unit code and give range column 2 and bracket close. Then we select second sheets which have unit code and client name. After we select range column 2, then bracket close, and all execution had completed. Then enter button, you can get results where you can see that my client name appear on my Excel sheet. This is formula used for VLOOKUP, double VLOOKUP in MIS interview questions.